Bonnie, happy Monday! I am back! Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm just doing late night videos now. That's just my thing. One of these days, I'll get back into the daytime routine, but I have been so busy reorganizing. I seem to get to my videos later. Oh my gosh, you guys, look what I found! Greg Brady has a friend. I totally found Blair from the Facts of Life. So now I got two of these retro characters amidst my my Halloween stuff. So that was my fun find for today. But I'm still in total reorganization mode. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy organizing, and I'm trying to get everything going. I did have time to paint my nails today. Check it out. I've got, what am I wearing? I've got the OPI. What is this one? This one is the Raisin Your Voice. I like this color. This is actually really, I don't know, I'm in the mood for red. Goes with the black. I'm in Halloween mode. It is September 4th, Labor Day. I'm so confused. I don't even know what day it is because it's Monday. All day I'm like, it's Sunday. So tomorrow, back to the craziness of the week, but I got some fun stuff. So the Try to Believe It sale ends today, $5.50 on the shower gels and the body lotion, and then it's going to be $6.50 on the cream, the moisturizing body wash, and the mist. So if you want something, I would get that today. Lots of good choices for fall. I'm actually going to review Sweet Whiskey later today. I love Sweet Whiskey. If you're brand new to Bath & Body Works, that is definitely one to try. But right now, I got a giant box here. I think this is my 50% off Halloween and possibly a couple of body care items. A lot of things in this order got canceled. I actually got an email literally like yesterday. Wait a minute. Okay, this is weird because they canceled this and then I got it. Seriously, this is weird because I made note of the cancellation because I was actually going to get this as a Christmas present for someone. And I'm like, oh crud, they canceled it. And look, now it's in the box. What's happening, Bath & Body Works? This is adorable though. Look at how cute this little backpack is. So I got that. And then I don't even know what else I got. What else did I get? We'll get rid of that. We'll get rid of that. Oh. I got the Headless Horseman 50% off. I got to do a demo on this. This is actually pretty cool. There's like a pumpkin head that lights up on top. I will demo that one out. And then I think I got another wallflower plug-in. Yep, I got my cauldron. I'm so excited. So I really did want this one, but I didn't want to pay full price, which was, what was full price on here? $32.95. So I got it for half price, and then I had an additional 25% off. So I cannot wait to light this one up. It's got like a light up effect. So I will review these soon because they are 50% off. Then I also got, oh, you know what got canceled? My soap holder, which I already have, the snake soap holder. I got this cute little candle holder. I liked it because it had the raven on it. I don't know why. I like ravens. I thought that was pretty cool. So I got that. And then what else is in here? Oh, I got the spider, you guys. This one was really inexpensive. These are what? I think these are like $3.95. Yep. No, $6.95. I thought this was less expensive. Anyway, I got it for 50% off, and then I had an additional 20. I don't know. I think I'm going to put this on my Peanuts purse just for fun. My Charlie Brown purse is getting a spider. I like the spider, and I don't know why. And then I got two of the cat lanyards. I was going to use these as some Halloween gifts. So these are super cute. I got to demo these out. They do light up. I'm going to do a whole pocket bag holder. I got to figure out how, oh, there it goes. These are cool for trick-or-treating. So I got those. And then, get rid of my box. I gotta be really organized as we move into Christmas. I gotta like move stuff in and then move it out, because if I don't, I'm going to have way too much stuff on my desk and no one wants to see that. I got the Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. This is my third one, you guys, which is fine because I actually really like this one. Oh, it's sealed. I'm going to do a full review on the Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. Here's the one I bought yesterday. I like this. It's neither Fireside Flurries or Bonfire Bash. It's got kind of its own vibe going on. I did use it last night and I'm digging it. So I'm going to get to a review on that one. I'm burning, oh my gosh, I got a couple candles going. I had these going in the living room. I'm doing the Cosmic Brownies from Goose Creek. I'm also burning a Kringle 3-wick. So come and hang out with me tonight. I got some good videos coming up. That was an exciting haul. This is actually beautiful. I gotta say, I can see it sitting on my desk. I don't know why. This thing is just calling my name. It's pretty. Anyway, that is my haul. We shall see what's coming tomorrow. I thought I heard maybe a soap sale, Wallflower, which kind of makes sense. I'll have to look to see what's coming up. But now that we're past September 1st, the sales at Bath & Body Works are coming fast and furious. I am so lucky. My girlfriend got 2 of these. Woo-hoo! I am going to use these to stock up on the new stuff so that I can start reviewing. I actually have, sitting over in this corner, like 50 candles to review. I got candles everywhere. So I've been burning a lot. I want to get to reviewing. And I'm so happy. If you didn't see my video yesterday, I am in a new room and the lighting is fabulous. You can see Greg and Blair very clearly. Halloween looks beautiful. So I'm super happy. Anyway, I will see you guys in a few. Bye-bye.